Welcome back to the Learn DAX in 2 minute series. This is day 6 and today we will learn about two important DAX functions, all and remove filters. Both functions are used to remove filters from a calculation. Now to understand these functions, I have created a table visual showing sales value of each product. Suppose we want to calculate percentage of total sales by product. So create a new measure and type percentage of total sales equals to sum opening parenthesis, select the sales column, closing parenthesis, division operator, calculate opening parenthesis, sum opening parenthesis, select sales column, closing parenthesis for sum for calculate, multiply by 100, press enter, select the table and drag the measure in the columns. Now denominator is still filtered by product, so each row is showing 100%. To remove the filter in the same measure, type comma all opening parenthesis, select product column, closing parenthesis and press enter. Now the measure is showing correct percentage. In this way, the all function removes the filter from the calculation. Similarly, we can use remove filters instead of all function and it will show the same value. To see the difference, go to modeling and click on new table. Type all categories equals to all opening parenthesis and select category column. Press enter. All you can see a new table all categories. Now drag the category in the table visual and you can see the available unique categories. But if you try to use remove filters, Power BI will throw error. This is how all and remove filters functions are used. In the next video, we will learn about count and CountRows function, two simple but powerful functions in DAX. Stay tuned.